Good evening. I am Hugh Morris, and tonight on Math is Life News, we have a special guest. Please welcome Isaac Newton.
Hello.
So, Newt, I can tell you, Newt, right? Word on the street is after you received your bachelor's degree, you taught yourself in astronomy, mathematics, physics, and so on.
That's true. I eventually got my master's degree as well.
May I ask what inspired you?
Well, rumor has it that it's the apple that fell on my head that kick-started my curiosity, but it was actually a book that I bought that I couldn't comprehend. It drove me crazy, and like you said, I taught myself various subjects.
That's remarkable. So, Newt, what exactly are some of your contributions?
Well, besides spectrum of light, which I won't really get far into, some of my most fundamental contributions were my laws of gravity and calculus.
Could you please explain exactly what both of those are?
Well, my laws of gravity are 1. An object in motion will stay in motion, and an object in rest will stay in rest. 2. The relationship between acceleration and applied force being the formula F equals m times a. And for every action, there is an equal but opposite reaction. More information pertaining to these can be found in my third book of Principia.
What an outstanding accomplishment. Now I heard that your accomplishments in mathematics are equally as successful.
I guess you could say that. I developed solutions to contemporary problems in analytic geometry of drawing tangents to curves, otherwise known as differentiation. I was also able to define areas bounded by curves by developing a common method called integration. I realized these were an inverse of each other and named my methods of functions. These methods are a part of my creation calculus, which you can see in high schools all over the world today.
Truly moving. Thanks for your time tonight, Newt. We hope to have you come again. That's all for tonight, folks. Thanks for watching. Good night. Good evening. I'm Hugh Morris, and tonight on Math is Life News, we have a special guest. Please welcome Albert Einstein.
Hello, everyone.
So, Albie, originally in school, teachers, you thought you were slow, but at the age of 16, things have began to turn around. You were even able to obtain your doctor's by age 26. Can you tell us what sparked that?
Well, you see, at age 16, I imagined chasing after a beam of light, and then that thought led to every invention after it. Yeah.
So, Al, what is your greatest contributions you'd like to share with us?
I'd have to say my biggest development was theories of relativity, relating to time, space, matter, energy, and gravity.
Could you explain to us a little bit more about that theory?
Basically, it means that time and motion are relative to observers as long as the speed of light remains constant, and natural laws are the same throughout the universe.
Totally don't understand that. But okay, awesome. Now let's talk about what you're most famous for, linking mass and energy.
Yes, I was able to do this with the formula I created, which everybody should know. It's E equals mc squared, which proves that a small part of matter contains an enormous amount of energy.
Boy, are you an inspiration to all of us. Looks like we're out of time. Thank you so much for stopping by. Alright, folks, thanks so much for turning in tonight. Good night.